Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on the WhiteBIT crypto exchange platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WhiteBIT crypto trading platform on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are taken into the homepage, you can directly tap on the start button to begin your verification process, or you can also tap on the profile icon at the top left and then tap on verification. Now you will need to start by choosing your country first. Then tap on Proceed to Verification and you will need to fill up all of your personal information. This may include your personal details, your address, and place of birth, as well as your full name. Once you have entered all of these details and proceeded forward, you will be asked to provide a verification by using your government-based identification card. This can be your driver's license or your passport. You can take a picture by using your camera and also upload one from your gallery. Finally, after you have submitted this document, your verification process will initiate. You are also required to provide a selfie verification. After all of this process is completed, you will get a notification letting you know when your account gets verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the WhiteBIT crypto exchange platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one. Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial